Esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at something important, something great. Today we'll be looking at how you can perform dollar arbitrage on this latest app and also new app called Ascendex. Okay, you buy dollar at bank rate not less than 760 or 80 and sell at a black market rate on Binance or on Bybit or any other platform to make a huge profit. Okay, before I go into that, if you are new to this very channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video of this very nature, it will get to you immediately. And also do well to give my video a thumbs nail and also share with friends so that a lot of people can benefit from this. Okay, so all you just need to do, go to your Play Store and make sure you download Ascendex. Okay, this is the app here. I'll click on the app now. Okay, on this very app you can buy a lot of crypto with your local currency. Okay, you can buy a lot of Bitcoin with your local currency. Okay, for those of you people that have card, that have dollar card, you can do this quickly. And if you are doing it from another country, is much more easier and better. Okay, so for the Africans like Kenya and the others, all these places you can do this from. This is worldwide stuff. Okay, so all you just need to do, pick up your phone now, make sure you download this app, and it will bring you to an interface like this. Okay, if you do not know how to sign up, I'll drop a link beneath this video that shows you how to sign up and make a lot of bonus of mining BTC for yourself. Okay, this is the bonus that I have currently. Complete full KYC for new users, which I have done it. I'll drop you a video on how to also verify your account on this Ascendex. Okay, and I'll also drop you a link that you watch a video on how to sign up on this very app. It's users friendly. Okay, so all you just need to do, once it brings you to something of this nature, all you just need to do is click on buy. Okay, if you click on buy, it will bring you to an interface of this nature. You make your choices. Is it Bitcoin you want to buy? Is it ETH? Is it XRP? Is it CRM? Is it XM? Is it BNB? Whatever you want to buy here, you enjoy it. You enjoy buying it here. Okay, so all you just need to do, this is the means of payment here. You can pay with Google Pay. You can pay with a Visa, debit, or credit card. You can pay with third party as well. Okay, so all you just need to do, I want to buy this Bitcoin now. Okay, I'll change this place to USD theta. So I will input $100 here. $100. You see, $100. This is what I have. This is what I will get, 99 USD. Okay, now you can see this is where the mass is. Let me show it to you. So there's no too much big deal. Let me show you what the mass is. Now you're gonna going to buy 100 USDT here, 100 theta at 99 USD. Okay, this 99 USD now, let's say go to Binance. Let's go to Binance. So go to your P2P on Binance. Wow, dollar is fucking down. Go to your P2P on Binance. You check. Okay, how much will that give you? This is 1030 naira here. Dollar is 1030 naira here. Okay, so how much will that give you? Okay, now this will take us to our calculator. All you just need to do is click on 1030 naira times 100. Okay, 1030 naira times 100. So I'll come to this and turn this to NGN because I'm paying with NGN. Wow, this is 77,897 naira. Okay, let's go back to our calculator. 103, then I'll minus 77 minus 77,000 watts, 77,000 watts, 77,897 naira. Okay, 77,897 naira. Let me say this. Okay, minus this, you make an instant profit of 25,000 naira instantly. Not going to come back. You make an instant profit of 25,000 naira. You can see it now. Imagine you do this times 10 a day. 25k times 10. You see, you gain 250,000 naira immediately. Okay, so all you just need to check now, just pick up your phone and go straight to this amazing new arbitrage that is happening right away. Okay, as I said earlier, for those of you people that have a dollar card, you can use it. For those of you people that have an NGN card that works, you can use it as well. Okay, so don't forget, you can as well buy from a third party as well. Okay, so all you just need to do now, make sure you download this app from Play Store. Let's see the Play Store. I'm sure it's you. Make sure you download this app from Play Store, Ascendex. Okay, download this app, Ascend. Type in Ascendex. You go to Ascendex app. You can see it here. See what it looks like. See it logos, and this is how it is buy and sell crypto. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, for sticking with me from the beginning of this video to the end. You can look how people have reviews this app. You can see the rates. You can see the rate at which people have downloaded. This is to show you that this app is very legit. And also, you are also entitled to your own research. Do your research about this very app and then start enjoying making money from this amazing app. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget, I will drop a lot of links that will show you how to verify this app in case you have issue with it, and also how to sign up on this very app in case. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.